How to change bank account in Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. In today's video I will simply guide you on how you can actually change your bank account on Facebook, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. Well, in order to actually change your bank account on Facebook, all you have to do is just go ahead and then actually open up your browser, go to the Facebook Ad Manager website. I'll make sure to drop a link below. Once you actually go to the Facebook Ad Manager, which is business.facebook.com/commerce, log into your Facebook account. At the very bottom left hand side of the screen, you'll be able to see the little gear icon, which is a settings icon. Just click on the settings icon here, and then once you click on the settings icon, over here you'll be able to see your payment details, right? So you just want to look for the option called payment settings. Once you go to payment settings over here, you'll be able to see all of the funds. Now my ad account is basically disabled, but if yours is enabled, you'll find the option to actually change your payment information right on this specific page. Once you go to payment settings, you'll be able to change whether you want to add card or bank or whatever else you prefer. This is how you can change your bank account in Facebook. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.